Good evening, everyone. Please take note that the current disclaimer for this financial content is mostly for educational and informational purposes, and the strategies, all these are based on my own experience, and there's no guarantee of profits and everything. So be aware of the risks before you continue trying to trade or anything. So let's start. Okay, we're going to talk about Bitcoin today. Bitcoin, let's see, Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. So before we start, make sure you look at the weekly chart first. So this the 200-week EMA is pointing upwards, is a good thing. But then the Bitcoin is having a normal kind of pullbacks. So this pullback is going to be until here. As you can see, previous resistance, then support. So it's going to come back here, consolidates, then breakout. This is another possible point that it might consolidate all the way here, but the possibility is quite low. My guess is it should consolidate here before going upwards. So if you plan on buying Bitcoin, this is a good area to enter, in my opinion. So do your own research first. But for now, the trend is still coming downwards. So let's see the daily chart. Okay, daily chart shows, as you can see, daily charts. See, the trend is coming down. See, short-term trend. The 200-day EMA all the way here, and then it's flat. So this area, whenever it's flat, this area is a consolidation area. So it might just bounce around, not sure where to go, and then it might break out or break down more. So we're not sure yet. So just be aware that, let's see the shorter time frame. Okay, shorter time frame shows a very nice move upwards, as you can see. All the higher highs, see, all the higher lows shows a nice uptrending move upwards. You can see the EMA is also pointing upwards already. You can see here. Okay, I remove this one. So you can see here, it has reached its down point here, the lowest point. Then it's sort of like slowly edging its way upwards. As you can see, it's slowly pointing upwards. The price is increasing as well. So there might be a support here. So this area is a very strong support. It's most likely the weekly chart will be, as I said, this area is a supported area. So it might just hit here, consolidates a bit, and continue upwards. So this is a good area to enter, in my opinion. So do your own research first before you enter Bitcoin. Okay, so let's check out gold. A lot of people have been asking me about gold. That's good. If you follow me for past few videos, you should have know how to read the chart correctly. As you can see, the prices mostly is above the EMA, which is a good thing. It's pointing upwards. As you can see here, it's all heading upwards. It's obviously an uptrend, but then how far will it go? As you can see, this EMA is pointing upwards as well, which is a good thing. But then I wouldn't be entering somewhere here. A lot of people have been calling for it to go higher. Yes, it might go higher, but then it will be a very painful pullback if you enter here and then it goes all the way down here. There's at least $200 drop. So it can be quite painful if you are waiting for this kind of thing. So might as well just wait for it to pull back, then enter, and then continue upwards. At least that's what I will do. Wait for it. Might also, as you can see, It's quite far from the 200 week EMA. Sorry for my blunder. As you can see here, it has gone up all the way here. It has quite a move upwards here already. So expect to have a pullback, but we won't know how far the pullback is. It might go all the way down here. We test this one when this thing is going up here, or it might be just a small one all the way here where the previous resistance turns support and then bounce back up. It's possible also. So just check out the possible scenarios before you try to enter this any stocks or any instruments that you're going to trade. So just look at this one. Do not try to enter when it has already moved upwards so much. Just like here, if you are to enter somewhere here, yes, in the long run, if this continues upwards, you still make money. But then here to here is about 2 months. It's in October, November, and all the way to January. So there's like 2 months time for the consolidation. You will be asking, why did I enter here, and did I make a mistake and everything? This kind of is a torture actually if you try to enter here. So might as well just wait for a pullback, then only enter when the momentum slows and it's going to turn back upwards. So it's less headache if you enter here. Okay, let's check out the next one. Okay, one recent entry that I bought in using Binance lately is this Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, as you can see here, the weekly is a weekly chart. Unfortunately, it reached here and then goes back down here, make a support area, and then tries to move back upwards here, a lower high, which is betting, and then crash down. So never mind, this is a resistance area, turn support, and then it is at support at the moment. So this is one point. Another point, if you can see here, the momentum comes down very strongly, slows down here. The momentum is near flat here. We don't have enough data for the 200 week EMA, but as you can see, there's a little bit here. So it shows that it's quite flat at the moment. So means it's already at quite a what do you call it, consolidation area. So it is consolidating here. So I just bought how many, about a few tranches here, 380 million or something Shiba Inu, or maybe more, I'm not sure, I forgot. And just buy and buy and buy. So this is a very good spot to enter here, chart wise. As for the, I think it is due to the some kind of Shiba Inu burning or something like that. So in my opinion, when there's a strong support area, momentum slows down, this is a good possible way to enter. I'll just put my stop loss somewhere here. If it breaks, then I'll just exit it. It doesn't matter. Not that much of a risk anyway. So I might be risking this much. Wait, I put this one there. I might be risking this much and try to profit maybe if it can goes back upwards here. So it's a good trade, right? I'm trying to risk this much to gain this much. So this is a good trade for me if it's going up, hopefully. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, today I just tested how to do the live streaming thing. Hopefully I can learn more about it. I tried to live stream something, and it's just a test run, so no harm done so far. It's quite a complicated process for me. So please subscribe and share my video out, like, comment. If you have any stocks or anything that you want to ask, just type in the comment below, and if there is any that I can check it out, I'll just do the next video about it. But it's based on my opinion only, and it doesn't involve any buy call or sell calls or anything. So that's about it. So remember to subscribe to my video and share it out. Thank you.